Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today we're going to be making honey garlic chicken skewers on the Blackstone Griddle. I have 4 chicken breasts that I've cut up in bite-sized pieces and put in a gallon-sized zip-top bag. And for our marinade, I have 3 cloves of garlic that's minced. And I have a little bit of salt and pepper just to taste. You don't have to add a lot of salt at all, and you might not even have to add any, because now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce, and I am using the less sodium. I have 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I have 1/3 cup of honey. And the list of the ingredients and the directions will be in the description box below. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And now we're going to pour our marinade over our chicken breast slices. We're going to kind of squish it around and then put this in the refrigerator to marinate. You can marinate it for an hour, 4 hours, it don't matter. And for our skewers, I'm going to use wooden skewers. That needs to soak in water for around 30 minutes to an hour. But if you're using the metal skewers, you don't need to soak them. Okay, I'll bring you back in a couple of hours. Okay, also for our chicken skewers, I have an onion. And I have a couple of bell peppers. You can use red or green. I just bought one of each. And I've had my skewers that I've been soaking in some water. And now we're going to put, just alternate, put some chicken, piece of onion, piece of chicken, and then a piece of bell pepper, and just continue to do that till you've used it all up. Okay, my skewers are ready to go, and the leftover marinade, while they're still continuing to sit here, I'm just going to pour that over them. Now I'm going to go outside and heat my Blackstone Griddle up on high for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the heat down to medium high, and that's where I'll meet you at. Okay, my Blackstone Griddle's nice and hot, and I'm just going to use this side of it. So I'm going to cut it down to medium high. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of oil on here, and whatever oil you want to use is fine. Let that heat up for just a second. Ain't that pretty? Now we're going to cook these, turning them every few minutes until they're done. You need to keep turning them so they'll cook evenly. And we're going to cook them until they are done. And it won't take long. Because the other day when I cooked whole chicken breast on here, it didn't take long at all. Okay, when I go to turn them, I'll bring you back. Time for the first turn. Okay, we need to really keep turning them because of the marinade and the honey and stuff. Of course, you're going to get dark spots. Now, I like that. I like the burnt ends. So, we're just going to keep turning them. Okay, what we've noticed is, and it's my fault because I didn't cut everything the same size, some of the chicken is real tiny. I cut really small, and it's not touching the griddle and getting done. So I'm just going to take everything off the skewer and just finish it up that way, and then I'll bring you inside and we'll finish up the dish. Just being real with you. Okay, now I'm just going to do it around like a stir fry, make sure my chicken gets done. And again, I'll bring you inside to show you the finished product because we got to add a couple more ingredients to it. It's still going to be good. But lesson learned for me, I usually don't do the skewers or shish kebabs or whatever you want to call it. Ricky and Alex usually does that, and I didn't, like I say, I cut some of my chicken pieces really tiny, so it's not touching the griddle. See, it's still pretty, and it's still going to be good. So now to finish it off, get you a couple of tablespoons of sesame seeds. Or you may not need that much, just sprinkle some over the top. And I have some fresh cilantro that I chopped up. If you don't like cilantro, don't use it. Just put some parsley on there. Now you could serve this over some rice, but however, I haven't had some good homemade mashed potatoes in about 3 or 4 weeks. And so I need my homemade mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm serving it with. Okay, my potatoes still need a couple more minutes, and me and Ricky's wanting to try this, so we're just going to try a bite right now. This has an awesome flavor to it. I like it.
Yes, very good.
You really like it?
Now want another bite. Look, I don't really like it. I just want another bite.
He says that when he likes something. I wish he wouldn't say that on camera, though. So, anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.